Is this working? Ha ha ha. Ha ha. I am streaming from my Archlinux machine for a change. Oh no, I think there's something wrong here. There shouldn't be a thumbnail like that. I have no idea how to change the thumbnail. Streaming from Archlinux. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, sorry for the misleading thumbnail. Whatever. And I'm just trying to work out how to see chat. I'm struggling. Oh yeah, I got it. I got it. Streaming from Archlinux. It's 180p. Fantastico. Just me watching. Okay. Just experimenting. Yeah, there's a bit of a delay. Just trying to clear them up my my. Okay, cool. Is this gonna work? Okay, now I'm gonna show my screen. Okay, so I got my chat window on my Mac machine. I got two screens. Yeah, this should be working nicely. Hopefully you can see that nicely. Oops, 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 oops. Okay. All right, so yeah, I'm having trouble with my Mac, so I thought I'd give this a whirl. And it looks pretty good to me. Okay, so I wanted to blog. So this is probably going to be the most boring blog. This is probably going to be the most boring blog. I mean, most boring stream ever. But just so you know, this is how I blog. So I wanted to blog about Kanban. Sorry. Notes on Kanban. Yeah, because my last project had an agile coach, and I thought he had some interesting things to say. So I'm just going to blog about that. Description. Is it gonna? Why isn't it flagging? Why is my spelling working anymore? Yes. Configuring a team for success with Kanban. God, I hate that. So, Kanban is a project management, is an agile project management style I prefer to use in teams because it's simple. It's flexible, no? I don't like the style of writing. It's simple, though. You need to be mindful of the following. Why isn't it wrapping by default? Cards need to be small and manageable. Yeah, that's correct. AKA issues, AKA what are they also known as? Tickets. Cards should be based on value. On what do you call it? On value, not like not tasks. Cards should okay. You go serve. What the hell's going on here? OMG. I haven't blogged for a while, so now my blog is broken. Great. I don't know what's going on here, guys. Sorry. This is pretty boring. I don't even know why I'm streaming here. I guess it keeps me motivated. So you're keeping me motivated. Okay, if I understand this error message, it doesn't like that part. Let me just take it out and see what happens. Okay, that's one problem gone away. That really doesn't like this base file name thing. Problem's gone away. Sorry, my browser's on the wrong page. I'm actually not 100% sure. Oh yeah, this is how you get it across. What blogging tools do you guys use? What blogging tools do you use? Because I'm a bit frustrated with Hugo. It's like bloatware, and it doesn't do the fundamentals that I've been yearning for, like backlinks. Hey, NFV blog. What do you use for blogging? I mean, why did this even happen? Like, not working. Oh, it depreciated in 0.55x or something. I don't even know why these happen. Why? Is there a community? If I search for this. I don't know why it broke, but it broke. Thank you, Hugo. Okay. Blah. Okay, that works. Yeah, do you understand what NVH blog, do you understand what happened here? Why did this base name thing happen to me? Base file name, sorry. Why did that happen to me? Okay. Kanban is an agile project management style I prefer to use in teams. Since it is simple. What else in my notes here? Implementing okay, I know you're not gonna like this, but the usual thing is Jira. Configure the board card layout and put days in column. to see, to highlight all the cards, whatever. Add width limits on the columns to enforce collaboration, to force sounds a bit mean, to encourage flow, to encourage collaboration and moving cards forward. I just said it long. Well, across the board. Typical ceremonies. I know people don't like. In Kanban, one refinement. Showcase. Demonstrate value. I mean, I like to keep it like that. Yeah, I think that's all I wanted to note down. Okay. To summary. Focus on collaboration and deliver value. Actually, no, I don't. Why did bloody focus on aging work before starting any new work? This encourages collaboration and helps deliver value faster. Need to disable caps lock. Well, I use Markdown. Configure a team for success. I already had that. Keeping things simple with Kanban. Pairing, mobbing to encourage collaboration. For a specific person, yeah. I like Kanban because it makes you work as a team. Notes on, what do you call it? On project management? This is not really project management. This is more like team working. Working as a team. Da-ba-da. Configure the board. Is that all my notes? Well, I think they're called whip limits. Whip limits. I mean, I think of them as the width limits because I hate acronyms. Here's some HTML for you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm not used to this keyboard. Okay, I think that's all the blog I wanted to write. How do I turn off caps lock? This doesn't help to very faster. What is called the autocomplete function event? That's Copilot. That's GitHub Copilot. Hey Gregory. I think I made some more notes. I don't know about you guys. I write notes in this thing, and then I make it a point trying to write them up, and this is what I'm trying to do here, write them up. My notes are just so awful sometimes, I just don't even understand what I've written. Whatever. Review the backline, add new cards, remove old ones, update existing ones. Oh, that doesn't really happen. Okay, I'm satisfied with this. These are my notes. Any comments? Do we need these fake faces? Not too sure what you mean, Grigori. I think you gotta have psychological safety to say what you want to say. Blog on Kanban. Start. Am I satisfied? I like to read what the rendering looks like. Kanban isn't. Yeah. Yeah, that's hopefully enough to get my blog going. Now I look at the pipeline. Pull request. I can't be bothered to support XML. I do support RSS as in there's the links, but I don't want to put the full body in there. It's going to give me a headache. Oh no, it's not working. No. Wait, I thought I fixed this. Oh, I didn't. Fix. Is that how you know? How do you spell disappearing? Okay, hopefully that worked. Let me. Oh, what the hell? 666. It's a sign, guys. It's a sign. Oh no. Yep. These colors are a bit offensive to me. A little bit offensive. I don't know if you all noticed that I did update my dot files. Updating rising again. Oh no, hopefully there's nothing incriminating in there in my home directory. Okay, so did that work? Yep, that worked. New blog, thank God. And that's blogging. Do share your blog with me, guys. I'm interested in what your blog looks like, and is it as messy and ridiculous as mine? Well, it's my first blog this year. I mean, it just goes to show. I do have an idea for another blog. Let me just try to write it up. I'm going to call this Software Cornwall Big Tech something. I wanted to write up about this. Software Cornwall. Yeah, I wanted to write about the local scene here. Actually, I don't like my blog in the sense it's not going by date in the file name. My vision. I just love the autocomplete. It's inspiring. Notes on the tech scene in Cornwall. Context. Yeah, I want to outline this. Context. How should I structure this blog? The event. The future. Come on, guys. What are your blogs? Distract me. Heartland, Red Ruth, Administration. So, this event used to be run in Heartlands, but it got closed. I don't even know what is going to happen with this. That is so gnarly. UK is in a depression. Cornwall is a county in the UK. Cornwall, I think it's the poorest UK county. I don't know if it's the poorest, is it? Maybe I should just be a bit diplomatic and just use this language here. Like many places in the world, tech is seen as a way to grow the economy. Since I live in Cornwall, I'm interested to see the tech scene grow, though I'm just using Copilot. I want to be realistic. I want to be, what do you call it? Pragmatic. And document the challenges from my perspective. Is the UK in depression? No, it's in a recession, sorry. Gosh. I think it's in a UK recession. Oh, no one can ever decide on this, can they? Maybe. IG Game Studio. Is it called IG? IGI. Yeah, I wanted to mention this because I think they're one of the biggest tech employers in the area, and they've just gone bust. So I think it's this one called IGI. I can't really remember now. I'm actually not even sure what games they made. No games I've really heard about. This is the trouble with game studios, is that they always have like 5 different names. I feel they just like rebrand themselves every 2 seconds. I'm really confused as to what is the name of the company. I thought it was called something like IG or something. Is it even worth mentioning? Maybe it's Antimatter Games. In the past few months, a true games tournament games company shut down. The tech, what do you call this thing? The tech, the typical, the tech hosting. What do you call this? Like a place where people hang out. The tech. Sorry, Heartlands went into administration. Where is your local hangout place? Because I don't believe we have one anymore. Spaceport, Cornwall, Spaceport, Port Cornwall failed. Had a failed launch, and I think it paused operations. Yeah, so it's not looking good. The big kind of happened nonetheless. Serendipitously? No, surprisingly. Is it surprising? In the offices of Spaceport Cornwall, which I thought had meaning, you know, which I thought was serendipitous. Dipitous. I don't know if I have anything to say here. Just, it's quite doomy and gloomy. But I think I just got to be real at the same time. What happened to my... Serve me. Um, The event was well organized. And well attended. Though for me there was a distinct lack of developers or something. Well, I think that's being a bit unfair. The kickoff mentioned that there was a lack of talent in the county, which reinforced reinforced my thought. Nonetheless, oh my god, the weather is just so bad here in the UK. It's just so bad. Considering its remote location, the future. My impression. I kind of like that. Crikey, I don't know what the future holds. Ugh, what does the future hold? Well, for me, we need a place where developers can meet and work together. And since Heartlands is gone, I think the best place is the city of Truro. No, I don't think that. I really wonder where that will be. It needs to be close to a university and a train station. The future AI doing everything. Yeah, maybe. Ideally, it's a destination for remote workers. Somewhere they can enjoy seafood and surf. Trouble is, there's no place in Cornwall that has all of them. You know what I mean? Because the train line doesn't even go next to the beach anymore. Ideally, it has good, cheap local accommodation for people to stay a bit longer. This is bloody far to get to. This is also a major pain in the bum. Beauty. I can't spell beauty. How do you spell beauty, guys? Shit. Not like that. Yeah, my spell checker worked. Yeah, I do miss I mean, the cool thing about Singapore is that the airport is a destination in itself. I mean, the future, I mean, yeah. Maybe I should link the. Yeah. UK is in recession, calls for the poorest areas and get seems where to go the local economies. I'm to see the 16 grow. I want to be pragmatic and document the changes from my perspective. You know, most of this stuff comes down to infrastructure, in my opinion. The tech event location. To meet, work, socialize, and learn from each other. Since the typical venue, Heartlands, I really wonder where that place will be. That's all I wanted to say, really. Notes on the commenting. Lack of infrastructure. On a positive note, for me, fiber broadband is pretty pervasive in Cornwall. When during the summer, people can happily camp in a tent. What else is good about Cornwall? I like Cornwall because it just slaps you in the face sometimes with this weather. Like you just like you forget about the internet when a wave hits your face or you're caught in the rain. Mm. Okay, I think I'm done with this blog. That's all I wanted to say. Blogging about Cornwall, about where I live in Cornwall and its tech prospects. How fast is the fiber internet? Mine's pretty good. It's enough. It's enough. Don't know about that. I wonder if I got a good picture of that event. Don't think I did. I forgot my microphone. I'm just looking at some foot. Sorry. This is me in Spaceport, Cornwall. Big empty hangar where a rocket ship should have been. It was cool, but it was cold. I mean, Berlin is way worse, I think. Who's in Berlin? I mean, the winter here is mild, but it's wet as hell. So I just realized my microphone's not quite in view here. Yeah, that's my blog. Has had. Actually, I need something to do a grammar check. What was I using before? Like a right good or something. Right good. Oops. I really like this tool. I don't know how it worked though. What do you guys use for grammar? Don't say Grammarly. One year ago? Prose Lint. Never heard of that one. How does write good even work? It's just an NPM thing, isn't it? I mean, I'm just curious to see what this does. Hey, Max 7 intercepts. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's a bit boring, isn't it? Like many is a reason. passive voice, few is a weasel word, is gone. Huh. I wonder what ChatGPT can do. Can you improve the English? Can you please proofread and improve the grammar and readability but I can't even spell ability of my markdown blog here. That's great. Your blog provides insightful commentary on the tech scene called amidst economic and infrastructure challenges. A reflection. That's a bit wordy. A bit weird. I mean, I like the commenting Cornwall. Yeah, that sounds better. Catalyst. I would never use the word catalyst. That's just crazy. A key event location. Serendipitous is kept in there. I like this idea of communal. An ideal location would cater to remote workers, offering them the opportunity to relish the local seafood. Relish. I like that word, relish. I'm not sure I can be bothered to take on any of this. Actually, I do like that. I do like that. I do like this bit. Sorry, guys. This is the way I work now. AI, dudes. But I mean, the tone of the language might be a bit jarring. Like you read this and you go like, well, why is the writing all of a sudden better? I don't, actually, I'm not going to change it. It doesn't sound right to me. I'm not going to change it. The language just sounds too weird. It doesn't sound genuine. That's the trouble with AI, isn't it? It just doesn't sound genuine half the time. I think it just. Here's that. Can you make it sound more genuine. Genuine. Oh, I just realized I'm not showing my screen. I'm such a fool. Sorry guys, I was robbing you of some really awesome content. The language is really interesting. Yeah, I was just trying to get ChatGPT to. Are you joking about this Elon Nobel Prize? Elon. You're not joking. Daily Mail. Actually, the thing I really don't like about ChatGPT here is that I need to see every. I need to be like opt into every change. Hmm. For can you show the before and after for each suggested change so I can pick and choose your suggestions easier? In an almost poetic twist of fate. I kind of like that. What does this mean? I couldn't shake off the feeling of emptiness. Despite the shadows, there's a silver lining. Very weird. Very weird. Okay, so 2 blogs done. I think I'm going to break for lunch, guys. Thanks for coming along for the ride. And if you have any suggestions on improving my blog flow, do let me know. As I said, I'm a bit stunned by Hugo. Like, why would they break file name? Hugo release notes. File base. I don't know. It's too complicated. Still doesn't have backlinks. What? What? I'm looking for a saner blog with backlink support. Can't believe how much code and stuff has gone into this. Okay, lunchtime, guys. Thanks again for coming along, and I was streaming this production solely on my Archlinux machine. No Macs were used in the production of this, I'll have you know. So I'm curious if the quality is any different and that sort of stuff. Thanks for entertaining me and keeping me honest.